आज हम जैसे भारत में जुटे हैं, उसी तरह जून 2026 में फ्रांस में भारत इनोवेट्स 2026 के तहत हम भारत के बेहतरीन टेक स्टार्टअप दुनिया के सामने रखेंगे, जो हेल्थ, क्लाइमेट, सिक्योरिटी जैसे ग्लोबल चैलेंजेस के समाधान बना रहे हैं। फ्रेंड्स, मैं फ्रांस और पूरे विश्व के लीडर्स, सीईओज, इन्वेस्टर्स और यूनिवर्सिटीज को आमंत्रित करता हूं। आइए भारत के साथ मिलकर ऐसा भविष्य बनाएं जहां टेक्नोलॉजी मानवता की सेवा करे और प्रगति समावेशी हो।
Innovation is a value we hold dear, one that we champion in multilateral forums, convinced that it is by forging new ties and joining our strengths that we can shape the solutions to the challenges of the century. And this is why, following your proposal, Mr. Prime Minister, we will have this Innovation Day the day before the G7 together, led by a Franco-Indian initiative with a lot of students and researchers that we will bring together. The question is no longer whether India innovates. The question is, who will innovate with India? And France is the unique clear answer. We are here, we want to be here with you, and we are not leaving. Jai Ho.
Bharat Innovate will proudly present India's deep tech cohort, curated for the world. All in 3 days, 120 startups, more than 15 premier institutions coming together with just one mission, showcasing India's technology and robust innovation prowess. And all this taking center stage in Nice in France from 14th to 16th of June. Bharat Innovates 2026 is a game-changing venture, a national initiative to identify, mentor and showcase India's most promising technology ventures from higher education institutions and centrally funded technical institutes, bringing selected ventures to a global audience of investors, industry leaders, policymakers, research institutions and technology partners. There is a robust institutional leadership that is driving India's innovation rubric. Leaders helming India's higher education institutions who are shaping research, entrepreneurship, and deep tech innovation across the country, bringing academic leadership, academic excellence, institutional expertise, and research to market perspective to Bharat Innovate. Bharat Innovates 2026 initiative represents a significant step forward for India's higher education sector, directly connecting research and innovation emerging from universities and technical institutes with international partners, investors and markets. Organized by the Ministry of Education, Government of India, with strategic guidance from the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India, the program identifies mentors and showcases deep tech ventures nurtured within higher education institutions and centrally funded technical institutes. Nice in France will provide a mega stage to more than 120 high-potential deep tech startups and representatives from over 15 premier Indian higher educational institutions. Now, this platform facilitates research collaborations, co-development opportunities, investments, technology transfer and market access, strengthening ties between India's academic ecosystem and global stakeholders, including corporates, investors, incubators, universities, research institutes, governments, and overseas alumni. India's innovation journey has entered a decisive phase where global stakeholders are increasingly seeking India's partnership as it can innovate rapidly and deploy at massive scale. Taking a center stage is India's higher education ecosystem that is amalgamation of unique combination of strengths, world-class talent, a vast test market, growing research depth, and innovation infrastructure, delivering high impact at low unit cost in ways that translates well across geographies.
भारत के इस स्पीड और स्केल के साथ जब फ्रांस की ताकत जुड़ जाती है तो दुनिया के लिए नए रास्ते बनते हैं। आज भी यहां दोनों देशों के बेस्ट माइंड्स एक साथ आए हैं। आज दोनों देश एक दूसरे के टैलेंट का खुले दिल से स्वागत कर रहे हैं। फ्रांस ने 2030 तक 30,000 भारतीय स्टूडेंट्स का स्वागत करने का लक्ष्य रखा है। ये यंग एनर्जी और यंग माइंड्स के तालमेल का एक बेहतरीन प्रयास है। फ्रेंड, साल 2026 भारत फ्रांस संबंधों के लिए एक अति विशेष वर्ष है। इसमें पीपल टू पीपल एक्सचेंज और गहरे होंगे। इंडस्ट्री टू इंडस्ट्री पार्टनरशिप का विस्तार होगा। आज हम जैसे भारत में जुटे हैं, उसी तरह जून 2026 में फ्रांस में भारत इनोवेट्स 2026 के तहत हम भारत के बेहतरीन टेक स्टार्टअप दुनिया के सामने रखेंगे, जो हेल्थ, क्लाइमेट, सिक्योरिटी जैसे ग्लोबल चैलेंजेस के समाधान बना रहे हैं।
In tandem with this spirit, Bharat Innovates 2026 was announced by Honorable Prime Minister of India on 17th February 2026 at the inauguration of the India-France Year of Innovation, extending an invitation to global leaders, CEOs, investors and universities to collaborate with India's innovation ecosystem. In reciprocation, marking the India-France Year of Innovation, French President observed that the question is no longer if India innovates, but who will innovate with India.
The question is no longer whether India innovates. The question is who will innovate with India? And France is the unique clear answer. We are here, we want to be here with you, and we are not leaving. Jai Ho, as we say in...
The maiden edition of Bharat Innovates 2026 takes India's top at least 120 deep tech startups to Nice in France to catalyze pilots, co-development investments, research partnerships, manufacturing and market access. Bharat Innovates 2026 is a national initiative to identify, mentor and showcase India's most promising technology ventures from higher education institutions and centrally funded technical institutes. This in order to bring selected ventures to a global audience of investors, industry leaders, policymakers, research institutions and technology partners. The showcase event is expected to draw world attention and is scheduled to be held in Nice in France from 14th to 16th of June 2026 under the India-France Year of Innovation. The maiden edition of Bharat Innovates 2026 is expected to be inaugurated by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron. Bharat Innovates is a national program of Ministry of Education, Government of India. It is designed as a global accelerator for innovations from Indian higher education institutions, thereby building a long-term collaboration bridging between India's innovation ecosystem like startups, labs, higher education institutions and research parks. It also brings into its ambit global stakeholders, corporates, investors, incubators, accelerators, universities, research institutes, governments, and overseas alumni. Now a quick glance at scale and expanse of Bharat Innovates 2026. 120 of India's leading deep tech startups, at least 15 premier Indian higher education institutions, including IITs and IIScs, more than 5 scientific and strategic institutions, At least 13 frontier technology themes ranging from semiconductors, biotechnology, defense, healthcare, advanced computing, AI, cloud, quantum, next-gen communications, critical minerals, advanced minerals, manufacturing, Industry 4.0, energy sustainability, climate, smart cities, mobility, blue economy, agriculture, food technology, and disaster management resilience. Bharat Innovates is a gateway to the Indian innovation ecosystem designed as an ongoing collaboration framework. For global stakeholders, it's an opportunity to build sustained engagement with India's innovation ecosystem. Also provides access to IP ventures built to scale globally, fast-track partnerships, engagement with market-ready ventures for pilots, procurements, and co-development. Research access, which is a continuous pipeline of industry-relevant innovation from India's ecosystem. Problem to solution bridge, access to India's high-impact geographies for solutions for challenges. Global soft landing routes to provide co-incubation and cross-border scale-up support. Research and development pipeline, which is a stream of opportunities for labs and tech providers across testing, validation, prototyping, and product development. Also accelerating Viksit Bharat 2047 vision by translating ideas from laboratories into market-ready solutions, advancing the nation's goal of an innovation-led economy by 2047. Commercializing deep tech. This initiative brings ventures from higher education institutions to the market, focusing on 13 frontier STEM sectors, including semiconductors, space technology, and artificial intelligence. Global Gateway. It also provides Indian researchers and startups direct access to international capital, scaling support, and global soft landing routes to expand beyond domestic markets. Not last but not the least, building sovereignty by highlighting solutions in energy, sustainability, and critical minerals by supporting the nation's self-reliance Atmanirbhar goals. Bharat Innovates has a lot to offer for global good too. Innovation for inclusion, where India's innovations offer scalable, cost-effective, inclusive technological solutions tailored not just for developed nations but especially for the global south. Strategic geopolitics. In midst of supply chain disruptions, it offers Europe and other international partners a stable, capable technology ally for co-development and procurement. For international investors and corporations, it serves as a continuous investor-grade deal flow pipeline into India's vast talent pool of IP-backed ventures. India is steadily strengthening its innovation ecosystem. Bharat Innovates builds on over a decade of ecosystem building and a deliberate national push to build an innovation-first talent pipeline of faculty and students in the Indian education system. Here's a quick glance at India's ecosystem enablers. From the foundational level itself, India has placed a strong emphasis on nurturing innovation among students. Atal Tinkering Labs. 10,000 plus labs fostering curiosity, creativity, and problem-solving mindset among school children nationwide. School innovation councils, research parks and premier institutions. Anusandhan National Research Foundation, which is a 5 billion fund for funding high-quality research. Centers of excellence in artificial intelligence. National mission driving transformation across AI, quantum, semiconductors, and critical minerals. Operationalizing ecosystem for last-mile impact. RDI, research and development schemes, ensuring access to global One Nation, One Subscription scheme, knowledge resources to Indian students. Catering nearly 10 million students, this platform has witnessed more than 133 million downloads. Startup India initiative, fostering a vibrant innovation ecosystem by enabling startup creation, access to funding, and ease of doing business. Innovation councils in technical institutions, sector-focused innovation platforms like IDEX, BIRAC, InSpace, catalyzing deep tech innovation across defense, biotechnology, and space by enabling startups to create a pipeline where ideas in the university ecosystem can move from laboratory to market and from local deployment to global adoption.
आज दुनिया की करीब-करीब हर बड़ी टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी भारत के स्टार्टअप, भारत के इनोवेशन से किसी न किसी रूप में जुड़ी हुई है। फ्रेंड्स, बीते एक दशक में हमने स्कूलों से लेकर इंडस्ट्रीज तक इनोवेशन के लिए एक कंड्यूसिव इकोसिस्टम तैयार किया है। स्कूलों में अटल टिंकरिंग लैब से लेकर मेंटरशिप, स्कॉलरशिप और स्टार्टअप कैपिटल तक आज एक सशक्त नेटवर्क मौजूद है। आज भारत दुनिया के सबसे बड़े हैकाथॉन इकोसिस्टम्स में से एक है। यहां प्राइवेट सेक्टर की रिसर्च इनोवेशन स्कीम के जरिए सीधा सपोर्ट मिल रहा है। स्टार्टअप इंडिया 2.0 से डीप टेक इनोवेशन के लिए कैपिटल मोबिलाइजेशन किया जा रहा है।
Startup ecosystems scale and expands. India is among the world's largest startup ecosystems with 200,000 plus recognized startups and 120 plus unicorns. Frontier capability is rising across deep tech maturity. Frontier capability is rising across healthcare, energy, climate, biotech, space and defense, advanced computing, artificial intelligence, quantum, semiconductors, agri-tech, materials and mobility and much more. Robust talent pool. Over 1.5 million engineers graduate annually, making India one of the largest pools of technical talent. Bharat Innovates aims to deepen India-France cooperation across these higher education, research, innovation ecosystem startups integration, along with talent mobility within broader strategic partnerships. Artificial intelligence momentum. India is ranked third globally in AI competitiveness as per Stanford University's 2025 Global AI Vibrancy Tool. This progress is powered by an enabling stack, policy momentum, catalytic capital, leveraging an education ecosystem increasingly aligned to global innovation and industry needs. Expected outcomes for research and education ecosystems. On the anvil are new research collaborations with European and other international universities, joint funding proposals, and technology licensing opportunities. For higher education institutions, the event provides a model for scaling campus innovation efforts, potentially influencing curriculum development towards greater emphasis on research and industry linkages. Long-term impacts may include strengthened and consolidated alumni networks abroad, increased international student and faculty mobility, as well as enhanced reputation of Indian institutions in global rankings focused on innovation and industry collaboration. The initiative also supports the broader objective of positioning India as a preferred destination for deep tech research partnerships. Innovations span 13 critical domains selected for their alignment with both national priorities and global challenges. These include advanced computing, encompassing artificial intelligence, cloud technologies, quantum computing, semiconductors, biotechnology, healthcare and medtech, space and defense, energy sustainability, climate change solutions, manufacturing and industry 4.0, advanced materials and critical minerals, next generation communications, smart cities and mobility, the blue economy, agri and food technologies, and disaster management and resilient infrastructure. Each team features curated ventures at various technology readiness levels, from early research prototypes to near market solutions. This breadth allows higher education institutions to demonstrate interdisciplinary strengths, such as combining material sciences with climate applications or linking quantum research with advanced computing platforms. Implications for academics, researchers, and administrators. Faculty members at participating institutions will gain platforms to present their research outputs in allied contexts, potentially attracting international grants and co-authorship opportunities. Now, research parks and incubators affiliated with universities also benefit from direct exposure to global accelerators and investors. For university administrators, Bharat Innovates 2026 offers insights into best practices for fostering entrepreneurship ecosystems on campus. It underscores the value of investing in technology transfer offices and multidisciplinary centers that connect engineering, sciences, and management faculties. PhD track students and postdoctoral researchers can observe how academic ideas transition into ventures, informing career decisions towards roles in innovation management, technology commercialization, or funding spin-offs. Ecosystem Connections and Future Outlook. The program builds enduring bridges between India's higher education innovation ecosystem and global players. By hosting the event in France as part of the Bilateral Year of Innovation, it leverages existing diplomatic and academic ties while opening doors to wider European and international networks. Looking ahead, subsequent editions are expected to expand participation and deepen integration with national schemes supporting research, development, and innovation. Higher education institutions that actively engage now stand to benefit from sustained visibility and partnership pipelines in the years leading to 2047 National Development Milestone, National Goal of Viksit Bharat. The India-France Year of Innovation 2026, inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron, has provided a natural platform to deepen partnerships in frontier technologies between two nations. France brings world-class research, strong technology transfer capacity, globally connected accelerators, and innovation-driven industry, making it ideal partners and launchpad for Indian universities and India's deep tech innovations to reach Europe and the wider world. The mega event also builds upon the Horizon 2047 roadmap between India and France to deepen strategic, technological, and educational ties between the two nations. Now with France as the stage, plays host to Mega Conclave designed as an ongoing collaboration framework between the two nations. The maiden edition is in alignment with celebration of India-France Year of Innovation 2026. As Bharat Innovates takes center stage in Nice in France, it also acts like a privileged gateway to the Indian ecosystem, putting on mega display India's robust innovation might. It is poised to tap into India's startup ecosystem, projected to reach $1.5 trillion by 2030 and impact at least 1.5 billion people. And this is propelling shining India's accelerated growth momentum, where Bharat is poised to take a pole position as a global leader in innovation.